Good morning. So today we're going to talk about areas of figures. So the area formulas of a triangle are 1/2 your base times your height. So this is your triangle. Okay. The rectangle here, okay, is length times your width. The perimeter, remember you add all your sides up. Okay, your square is the sides, remember, are equal, so you would just basically like length times width, but they're both the same number, so it would be one of your sides squared. Okay, a parallelogram here, it would be, your area would just be your base times your height, because these two bases are going to be the same on a parallelogram. Remember, they would be congruent. Okay, on a trapezoid here, your bases will not be congruent, so you'll take in consideration the two of them added together times your height times 1/2. And then the area of your circle is your pi times your r squared. Okay, so if I wanted to find the area of each one of these figures here, this is a square, so this is going to be 8.5 squared. Okay, so when you say 8.5 squared, you get what, 72.25? And remember, your units for area are always squared units. Okay, the second one here, that is a parallelogram because 12.9 and 12.9 are the same. So this is going to be base times your height, so it's going to be 12.9 times 7.1. So when I multiply those two together, that's going to be 91.59, and my units are inches squared. Okay, let's look here. So this one is a triangle, okay, where my height here is going to be 14, okay. My base, okay, is going to be 29.5. So my area here is going to be 1/2 times 29 times 14. So when I do that, that's 14 times 29.5. So is that 206.5? And the units are inches squared. Remember, area is always in square units. Okay? Alright, so the area here, this is a half of a circle, okay? So the area of a circle is pi r squared, but it's not a complete circle, so what would we do to this one? We would take a half of that times our radius squared. So 17 squared times pi, and then take half of it. So that's what, 453. Oops. So 453.96, and it's in feet squared. Okay. All right, let's look here. A triangle with an area of 45.5 centimeters. So the triangle formula, the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times your height. So if I know that, then the base is 14 centimeters, find the height. Okay, so my area is 45.5. My base is 14 centimeters, so I want to find my height. So 14 divided by 2, so that's 7. And so we'll divide both sides by 7. So your height here is going to be, what, 6.5? And we are in centimeters here because we are in our single units. All right, let's look here. Find the diameter of a circle with an area of 380.13 meters squared. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. Well, I know that my area is 380.13. So to solve for my radius, I'm going to divide both sides by pi. So 380.13 divided by pi is going to give me roughly a 121. Then I'm going to take the square root of both sides here. So it gives me a positive and a negative 11. But remember, we're throwing out the negatives because it can't be. So your radius is going to be 11. And it's going to be 11 meters. Okay, but it didn't ask for radius, it asked for diameter. So diameter is 2 times your radius, right? So we're going to say 2 times 11, so it's going to be 22 meters. Okay, all right. So that is I want you to finish up those worksheets today with your area, and I hope you have a great day.